Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a haul from Creative Memories. So I'm super excited. I've got lots of good things to share. So let's hop in. We'll keep going. I've got this big box on the floor. It's good for me to get it out and show you guys. So first thing is decorative heart punch. Anything hearts, I love. I mean, we got married the day after Valentine's, so it's destined. I can't wait to play with that. It should be lots of fun. Um, if you guys don't know, their punches are amazing. I know I'm kind of biased, but they are. They have a lock and an unlock. They fold down nicely. They're perfect for crops, for working at home, for storage, etc. They work like any other border punch, and they're just beautiful. They're just beautiful. So let's keep going. And clearly, I have an affinity for them. I bought the birthday cake one. So I am personally about maybe twice a year, I'll stock up on a few things. And this was one of my stock up times. And I also have something fun for y'all. So I am super, super excited. But I think what I'm going to do is share most of this and then come back with a second video with all that. So look at the birthday cake. Isn't that cute? I love it. They have the cupcake and then the birthday cakes. How cute. Well, there's the cupcake right there. Super, super cute. So if you haven't recognized, you put these in your bag and they stack just like that. How nice is that? I know. These really, really are great punches. I've really enjoyed them over the years. So, yeah. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I've got one more. This is a dining in or a dining one. I'm getting ready to do a recipe book for Christmas for next year for gifts. And how could I not have a dining, I know, punch? Seriously, I had looked at some just regular dining ones and I thought, no way. This will work perfectly. It fits all of my storage beautifully and we're good to go. All right, now, hold on one sec. Move that. And trying to get to all of these. So this is another decorative punch, and these are the smaller punches. So those are border punches. These are regular punches. So, and I'm terrible at opening these up. So hang with me. Let me get my scissors, oh, here they are. I was going to say, I just had them. Oh, goodness. So my sweet daughter came in here. My birds were going crazy. I had to refilm. It was just getting crazy there for a minute. So sorry. I have a terrible headache today. And I think it's just, I spent 2.5, 3 hours trying to get doctor's appointments. And then I spent yesterday. So anyways, definitely stressful right now. So, and just so you see, they compact down, and that's it. Isn't that cute? And then they just store so beautifully, but that's a firecracker. Isn't that cute? I'm so excited. All right, now, I think I've got one more. Let me see here. Oh, goodness. Okay. Sorry, my box is over here. You're probably getting the side of my head. I so apologize. So my youngest, I don't know many girls that don't love horses. Of course, I love horses. And I loved horses as a young girl and tried to figure out every way in the world to get a horse. And because I had friends who had horses and, So, and this was one of the first things, after drawing mountains, I learned how to draw horses. So I thought this was beautiful. I thought this just something fun. I'm getting ready to do like a farm album, and I thought that would be perfect to go with it. So horses. And let me show you something. Look right here. So there is the punch. Isn't that great? So you can literally store them like this or store them like this. You can write on them what they are. I've seen lots of people do that. So amazing, amazing punches. Gotta love Creative Memories, okay? Alrighty, so now I've got lots of kits that were on sale, last chance, all of that, because you guys know me, unless it's something specific, I am always going to buy what's on sale. Of course, I had a coupon, so or a discount code or whatever. So, and plus I'm a consultant, so I get a discount too. But I had like a double, plus they were on clearance or, last chance. So here is the Little Dreamer border stickers. If you guys don't know, these border stickers are so stinking fantastic. Now you can literally cut this one apart and use these as dividers, or you can use all of this as border stickers down the side of a page or a card. You do not have to use the 12-inch. You can cut them in half. You can cut them in thirds, whatever floats your boat, whatever fits your cards. They can go across the bottom of a card. They can go across the top of a card. They could be on a scrapbook page. They could be on a mixed media page. They can be in your journal. There are your planners. You can use these endlessly. So yes, I am kind of biased, but this one is Little Dreamer, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I also, and here, wait a minute, let me get you up close so you can see all that's there. So it's a 3-page kit. The only one you can't see is that middle one, and I love those stars. Those cute. So anyways, absolutely love these. I think these are one of the best tools they have out. This one is party time. So here is what this one has in it. Absolutely charming. Look at those cupcakes. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I love all the happy birthday banners, all of this. So it is absolutely beautiful. Something you can use. You can even cut these, take that one banner off, and then double layer them, however you want to do it. So love these. Never do exactly what they designed it to do. Cut your stickers. It's okay. Now, here is a kit. This is called Homestead, which, I just said I'm getting ready to do a farm type album. And look at this. So you get the one page of border strips, get one page of sentiments, and one page of stickers. How charming is that? And as you look at these, I'm going to take these out just so you could see them better. The quality of these are amazing. Very nice cardstock stickers. Absolutely love these. Gather with grateful hearts. I love that. Lots of sentiments. Enjoy every moment. The most important work you will ever do is within the walls of your home. Wow, that's 100% true. And then, of course, the gorgeous borders. Absolutely beautiful. And again, just so you can see, look how nice they are. And I mean, I just can't say enough about scrapbooking supplies from Creative Memories. It is worth every penny. They're just top quality. Some things you get and they're, not as much sticky, or, not as much this. You will never have that problem with Creative Memories. I'm just saying. Loved it so much. Bought 2. And I know. I'm so obnoxious. So this one is Staycation. I absolutely love this. I'll use this in my COVID journal. Absolutely super neat. And yeah. Super, super fun. Let me see if I can get in there tighter so you can see it. You can also go to my link below, go to my website. You can take a look at everything. Okay, now, trying to make sure I don't pull too much up. But, okay, so these are the laser cut ephemera. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Homestead. Goes with that same farm and ranch cup feel. And look at that. Blessed, better, together, all the different shapes. Absolutely gorgeous. Love these, the quality of this. Plus, if you notice, as they trim this one out, they darken the edges like we do with our distress ink. So really, really nice quality. I also picked up 2 of those. Since we're on the Homestead theme, I'll just go to this. So I also picked up the Variety Matte Pack or journaling type cards. So you can see there's places for you to journal. You can mat your pictures. I have loved these forever. The first place I ever dealt with journaling cards on like matting photo type level was Creative Memories. And Creative Memories even sold, if you guys are whale Creative Memory fans, you'll remember when they sold the shapes, and then you kind of, you could do partial mats, and it was just, amazing. So there was just so many. The first time I was ever introduced to Creative Memories was 1992. I was going to say 1990, but it was 1991, 92, probably 92. And I remember I was doing scrapbooks and wanted really nice quality, and that's how it began. So anyway, so they come with all kinds of sentiments and images and tools as far as like journaling spaces, all of that. So really beautiful. You can take these, you can cut these, you can use them however would best suit your needs. Another fun kit And I got this ephemera kit. This is Staycation. They call it embellishments with creative memories. Everywhere else you'll hear it as ephemera. So you say it however you like, but absolutely charming. I love it. You can see some of that on the back. Again, go to my website. You can see everything beautifully. So, all right. Now, I think, whoops, I'm making lots of noise. Let me wait on these. Well, let me show you some things. So, I am, they used to call us a Creative Memories advisor. I can't remember what the current, probably, consultant. Now I think we're advisors. Anyways, we have access to extra goodies. So there's going to be some fun things with these. So come back. I'm going to share with you. And we're able to buy extra things that are not available to the public. So if you're ever interested and you want to sign up and get the discount, it is very inexpensive to sign up. I do not believe there's any minimums. And it is worth it because I'm not kidding. You get the full meal deal. You don't just get what you love. You also get extras as an advisor, extra things on the website that are just for the advisors. Okay, hang with me. Let me pull this to the side because that's our special thing that I'll come back with a special video on. I'm super excited. Okay, and I'm sorry I'm kind of scooting on my chair and it's making noises that are kind of embarrassing, so I apologize. Okay, goodness. I did not sort this before because I like to unbox it with you guys, but you know, sometimes maybe it pays to do it ahead. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Yep. I thought I had some more goodies in here. Alrighty. Now, oops, let's see if it's going to stay. Those plastic packages don't like to always stay. Okay, here we go. So here is the Homestead paper. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm not kidding, guys. It's two-sided, beautiful designer type paper. Designer paper pack is what it is called. You get 12 sheets. They're 12 by 12 and they're gorgeous. Now, I've said it before, I'm not a real 12 by 12 paper fan anymore. I do prefer the 6 by 8, but seriously, I can cut this down and then use the extras for journaling spots. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, as another one of those benefits for us that are consultants, this is an advisor paper only. You only get that if you're an advisor. And these are gorgeous too. Look, you can cut this apart. You've got journaling spots. You've got decorative spots. You've got the back of the page. In this particular kit, there's 6 pages, double-sided. You get 2 of each, and it is gorgeous. So the theory is, as a consultant, if you teach classes, that's something you can use. Okay? Okay, so hang with me. All right, now, I love, hold on one second. 2 more minutes, please. Just 2 more. Thank you. I love the Christmas spirit. These are the actual cut and printed borders, and they are charming. I wanted these badly at Christmas. Somehow they had them, then they were sold out, and all that kind of good stuff. I love these. These will go in my scrapbooking project that I'm doing that is year long, and I love this. And I mix and match. I'm not just Creative Memories. I'll use Creative Memories with other projects. I'll mix and match papers. You have to do what works for you. Shh, don't tell anybody I do that, okay? All right. But there is no quality compared to this. I'm going to be honest. All right, so this is the Homestead. Again, absolutely gorgeous. Seriously, look at all that. So you can see this comes with, hold on, let me see, 10 die cuts. So you get 10 borders. This one came with, hold on, hang with me. So this also came with 10. Absolutely gorgeous borders. I can never say enough about them. I also picked up the Winter Woods. How beautiful are those? Really beautiful. Look at those trees. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, you know, there's border punches for a lot of these that you could even make yourself. An extra Homestead, Really like the Homestead. And then this one is vitamin C, SEA. So it's all about the ocean. So there's some of these that go up and down a page and some that go across. How beautiful is that? I love the heart sunglasses. I love this. And I love this because this doesn't even come from the top of the page down. Bottom of the page. It's amazing. I know. They give us such a good variety. Okay, I can get the rubber band off my hand. So, all right. I think the rest is for a second video. So come back. I will be putting together a second video for you guys. I'm really excited. I have an exciting, fun thing that I'm putting together and offering. It is going to be a class. So it's a one class. You purchase your kit, order it for me, and I send it out to you. It is that simple. And I'm going to probably film it tomorrow because I'm hoping to put together an example kit of everything, or maybe in a week, an example kit of everything we're going to do. And it should be really, really fun. So come on back. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. If you are interested in any of all this, there's a link below for my website through Creative Memories. And yeah, let me know what you like the best. I really have a hard time. I clearly have an affinity for the Homestead, but all of this other is fantastic too. So, okay, friends, again, pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. And yeah, leave a comment if you're maybe interested in what the new project is. I will be excited to share that with y'all. It will be a one video project and it should be fun. So, okay, friends, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Love y'all. Y'all be safe. Yeah, take care. Bye-bye.